Smart little car, this one today. This is a Polo 6R, 6C chassis. It's like a weird crossover thing, but it's a Blue Motion GT 2014. Yeah, it's a nice little car, and it's coming for factory front and rear sensors. So all color coded, 4 color coded sensors at the back, 4 color coded sensors at the front, and then obviously parking button inside, and then it all works on the factory head unit with all the views, all your volumes, and your, what else does it do? You know, muting the stereo when the parking system comes on. So yeah, just updates the car nicely, and also makes it a bit easier to use, I guess, making parking easier and things. So we'll just jump in and have a quick look at how it works. So obviously in the car, if we pop it into reverse, parking system comes on, and you can see we've got front and rear sensors. At the moment the rear ones are activated because we're in first, and therefore we've got the guidelines and things which will then, you know, they'll move. They're not a guideline as such, it's just showing you the trajectory of which going. So they'll obviously turn, we turn the wheel. If we then pop it into first, then front ones are then activated, and if we had something in front of us, they would obviously come on and work. Obviously, as you can see, we've got the parking button, so we can turn that off, and then that goes off, but it'll obviously, the parking system will stay on whilst you're manoeuvring. So in between first and reverse, whilst you're manoeuvring around a car park or whatever it is you're doing, the whole system will stay on, and then as soon as you pull away and get up above 7 miles an hour, it'll automatically turn off. You don't have to press the button to turn it off. But if we then go into the settings for the car, you can see we've now got a parking manoeuvring menu. We can go into there, and we can see that they're set to activate automatically. So that means that if you're pulling forwards into a space, then the parking system will come on and start working. We've then got obviously front volume and front tone settings, so you can change the tones, change the volumes, rear volume and tone setting, and then, as I said, entertainment fading for when you've got the radio on and and the parking system comes on. It then determines how much it reduces the volume of the stereo, so you can still hear your sensors. So yeah, there you go, quick run through of how it all works. You can see it's all integrated perfectly because it's all factory equipment, and that's about it really. Full front and rear sensors on a little Polo 6R. So if you've got something like this, or this same model of car, and you want to update it, make it a bit easier to use and things, then do get in touch. Jump on the website, fill out the contact form, gives the details of the car, so we can do a compatibility check and obviously make sure that all the right kit's being fitted and things. And yeah, that's about it really. Check out the rest of the videos, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.